Have you ever heard the quote, "A ship in harbour is safe, but that is not what ships are built for"? I think about this quote because as we sail back to Thailand, I know that we are sailing back in the wet season, which means we can have unpredictable weather. I have read countless books of sailors surviving storms together with their sailboats to convince myself that I am in fact safe in my new home. Nothing quite convinces you like going through the real thing. Are you having fun? Oh my goodness.
7.3 knots
Up speed.
with a reef Geneva, no mainsail.
No mainsail. How does she feel steering her in this? Is it? Okay. Now that I know Derek is handling and we are actually safe in these conditions, I start to enjoy myself. Oh, okay, getting a little bit Okay, here comes the little wave. Snorkel splash! Snorkel splash! Woo! Look at this! Are you wet enough? So, how's about our Sunday sail, eh? Oh, let's go for a nice relaxing sail. Yes, let's do that. Oh yes, let's do that indeed. Woohoo! Oh no, it's another one. Oh my goodness! Okay. Hold on to your boat. Oh, that one was a letdown, yeah. Yeah, you know what's coming, eh? Because we said, oh, that one wasn't big enough. The ocean's going to be like, oh really now? Oh really? Okay. Let me up the ante then.
Here we go.
What?
Here we go.
Careful what you wish for. Okay, wait. Here's another one coming. Yeah. Oh dear, it's moving back. Wow. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, maybe this one. Wow, scary this side because you're leaning over. Oh, now I've got the lens bent. Oh no. Oh, and our battery's going to run dry. Ow.
That was fun. That was something else.
Yeah. That was our first, whatever it was, 37, 40 knots?
40 knots.
Oh wow. Here's to a good night's sleep. Hopefully. If you are liking our videos, please do us a solid and press the like button. That really helps us out. Thanks.
So we have just come back from checking into Thailand for the second time. Only this time we checked in the Krabi province, which is quite different to Phuket.
Very much so.
Very much.
We didn't know where to go. Go into Phuket, everything's in one building. So first we dinghied ourselves and beached on some mud up to like knees, and they were told we could moor somewhere else with a dinghy, which we did. Where did we go first?
So then we went to
Harbour Master.
the Harbour Master first.
Was the Harbour Master there?
No.
No. She was having an off day. So everything was done by phone and taking pictures of our documents, sending it off. We got no documents from her, so we actually don't know if we properly checked in, but she said it's all good. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Then, so it took us 9 minutes to walk to the Harbour Master, 9 minutes to walk back to immigration, and we try and look our smartest on the day. And when we walked into immigration, I just looked at Derek and he had sweat patches everywhere, and I just burst out laughing, thinking, we try so hard.
My pants is falling down. No, it was not good. Anyway,
that person was off too, so
yes.
There was a lot of phoning around and how do I do this and how do I do that, but very helpful staff, very friendly, they got it done. And then?
Yes, so then we went to customs. And customs we were helped by two, what seems to be interns.
Yeah.
Super friendly.
Yeah.
And super fast, so that was no issue at all.
Yeah.
But I think there's some kind of a holiday or something going on today because all the major players were not here.
Yeah.
But we're checked in. So
we are checked in. Yay!
Boom. 0 charges, and yeah, for some other reason, last time I got a paper in my passport, you got a stamp.
This time I got no stamp.
This time I got a piece of paper for both of us.
So we
this
share.
Time we got 30 days each. What happens if we break up while we're here? Who takes the paper?
Color copies?
It's not going to happen. Mate.
Ah, funny.
Alrighty. I'm going to get some water.
Yeah, now we're going to get some water.
We are heading through this narrow channel to a marina called Port Ticola, where we want to fill our water tanks for a 2-week provision. I'm busy standing on the bow looking for any moving mass coming our way, as we do not want to share this narrow channel and squeeze past any other big boats. Every water dock has been a different experience. This one is actually quite pleasant. There is no traffic, the water is flat, and there is not much wind. However, we need to turn my gear into the dock. We can't just pull up alongside. So for this one, I will let Derek, the expert, handle things. I'm very accustomed to bringing a car around, but a 38-foot sailboat is quite an adjustment for me. We decided to set sail and go explore the Krabi province of Thailand, but the weather was not done with us yet. We again had dark clouds approaching us, only this time with the sounds of thunder. And yet, I chose to be on the helm. I wanted to know what it felt like to manage my year through the storm, as I am always letting Derek be the one in charge. And as this was to be our 3rd storm, and I knew we handled the first 2 with such grace, I was now ready for my turn. It felt good to go in with confidence in our boat and with our growing skills. So we reefed the main and our front sail down to smaller sizes, as you never know what conditions you will face with these approaching systems. And we waited.
And Mr. Brown is bored, waiting for the storm.
What? Rowie!
Funny. So that's where the wind is coming from. Sunny skies, nothing wrong there. And then, dun 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 dun. Alright. Dark clouds, thunder on our right. We're expecting the wind to switch and comes on. Tricky when you...
Who are you?
I'm concentrating very hard right now.
Who are you? What are you doing on my boat?
We'll find it.